time for another episode of Good Idea, Bad Idea, the Florence Nightingale edition.
This is Mariel. She's recently been certified as a registered nurse, but still needs more experience. She'll be showing us what not to do. This is Kylie. She's been a nurse at our hospital for many years. She's very experienced, and all our patients love her. She'll be showing us what to do when helping a patient. And this is our patient Elyse. Hopefully today our nurses will help her feel much better. Now let's watch our two nurses treat our patient Elyse. First up, we'll be showing you how to treat a patient when it comes to lights.
Hi Elyse, I'm here to do some checkups on you.
Hello.
Oh my god, this light is so annoying. I'm just gonna close the blinds and everything. It is giving me a headache. It is way too bright in here. Okay, that's much better. Alright, so, well, you look fine. Is everything okay?
Yeah, it's kind of dark.
Oh, it's fine now. So when the next person comes in, it won't be annoying because I was really light, so.
Okay.
Alright, I'll come back later. Hi, Elyse.
Hi. Oh, why are your blinds closed? Let's get those open. Much better. Turn on your lights. Get everything checked out.
Because of the light, our patient Elyse feels much better now.
Right.
Her health would degenerate, and so it is important for us to keep the blinds open. It is also very important to keep the windows open to keep well-ventilated air coming into the room.
Hi, Elyse. I'm here to check up on you again.
Hello.
Oh, wow. It's really cold in here. Who opened these windows? I'm just gonna close them.
But I'm not.
No, you'll feel much better when the windows close. So that way, you know, you won't get any bad air inside. So, let me know if you need anything.
Okay.
Now, what will Nurse Carly do about these windows?
It's really stuffy. Hi, Elyse. How are you feeling? It's a little stuffy in here. Let me just get those windows for you. Perfect.
Hope that makes
Much
it better.
Patient relax. Play nice, soothing music.
Oh, I love this song. Hey, Elyse, how you doing? Sorry you can't hear me. The music's really loud. It's dubstep.
What? Oh.
Alright, let me know if you need anything. Hi, Elyse.
Hi.
It's about time for you to rest, so I'm just going to leave this beautiful music with you, okay?
Oh, perfect. Thank
Alright.
you.
Hi, Elyse. How are you doing?
Well, I'm still out of tea.
I can get you some tea.
Can you really?
I would love to.
Oh, thank you.
Be right back.
Sure.
Uh-oh. It looks like Nurse Mariel forgot to bring our patient tea. Here we have Nurse Carly bringing our patient
And like the
tea.
lights were on and the blinds were open, so I closed them because it was really bright and I couldn't work. And then she had the windows open, so I closed them. It was way too cold in the room. And then I came in playing music because I was in the mood for it, I guess. And she was really annoyed, but I don't see why because it's my choice to play music. And it's not like it was bothering her, I was still taking care of her. And then I think I brought her tea. I think.
Well, it sounds like you tried, but it's important to remember that we have to take care of our patient first. Can I suggest you read this book?
Notes on Nursing by Florence Nightingale?
Yeah, it was actually, although it was written over 100 years ago, it still has some valuable insights on nursing that I think you can benefit from.
Thank you.
You're welcome.